Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Understanding vitamin supplements, risks and benefits. Today, we're exploring a topic that's a source of confusion and debate: vitamin supplements. With so many options available, it's easy to become overwhelmed. Are they genuinely beneficial, or could they pose potential risks? This question has sparked discussions among health enthusiasts, researchers, and medical professionals. On one hand, vitamin supplements can be crucial in filling nutritional gaps, especially for those with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions. For example, individuals who follow a vegan diet may need extra B12, while older adults might benefit from vitamin D to support bone health. However, the conversation continues further. Doesn't it warn that excessive intake of specific vitamins can lead to toxicity and other health issues? Understanding which supplements are genuinely beneficial is essential for making informed choices. It's not just about a pill. It's about knowing what your body needs and what it doesn't. You might be surprised to learn that some commonly taken supplements, like vitamin E and beta-carotene, have been linked to increased health risks in specific populations. So, stick around as we unpack the complexities of vitamin supplements, explore the latest research, and help you navigate this often misunderstood topic. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what's suitable for a health-related journey. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Are vitamin supplements more harmful than helpful? Concerns raised by doctors. As we explore the world of vitamin supplements, it's crucial to address the concerns raised by medical professionals. While many people turn to these supplements with the hope of boosting their health, doctors warn that oversupplementation can lead to severe risks. For instance, excessive intake of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K can accumulate in the body and lead to toxicity, causing symptoms ranging from nausea to liver damage. Moreover, specific vitamins can interact negatively with medications. For example, vitamin K can interfere with blood thinners like warfarin, potentially leading to dangerous complications. Similarly, high doses of vitamin E may increase the risk of bleeding when taken alongside anticoagulants. These interactions highlight the importance of consulting with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Before reaching for that bottle of vitamins, increasing your dietary sources is essential. Many nutrients can be obtained through a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. A Harvard School of Public Health study suggests that whole foods provide a synergistic effect that supplements can't replicate. Before you supplement, evaluate your diet and consult a healthcare professional. Your body may tell you it's time to focus on whole body foods rather than pills. The only supplements you need: essential recommendations from health professionals. It can be challenging to know which supplements are essential. Health professionals often emphasize that while a balanced diet should be your primary source of nutrients, specific vitamins and minerals can be beneficial, especially if you're at risk of disease. Let's look at some of the most commonly recommended supplements. First on the list is vitamin D. Many people, especially those living in areas with limited sunlight, may not get enough of this crucial vitamin, which supports bone health and immune function. Another common deficiency is vitamin B12, particularly among vegetarians and vegans, as this vitamin is primarily found in animal products. Iron is also frequently lacking in diets, especially for women of childbearing age, making iron supplements a standard recommendation. However, consulting with a healthcare provider is essential before you rush to the store. They can assess your needs through blood tests and dietary evaluations, ensuring you only take what's necessary. While supplements can fill nutritional gaps, they should always supplement a balanced diet. Whole foods provide a complex array of synergistic nutrients, offering benefits that isolated supplements cannot. Focus on incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. By prioritizing a nutrient-rich diet and consulting with a healthcare professional, you can ensure that you're meeting your nutritional needs effectively and safely. Miracle vitamin that halts diabetes and restores kidney health in just 60 days. The power of vitamin D. Incorporating vitamin D into your daily routine is easier than you think. While sunlight is a natural source, many people need help to get enough due to lifestyle or geographical factors. Fortified foods like milk, orange juice, and cereals are excellent options, and fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel are also rich in this vitamin. For those who need an extra boost, vitamin D supplements are widely available and can be easily added to your morning routine. But don't just take our don't for it. Numerous testimonials highlight the transformative effects of vitamin D. For instance, one individual shared how, after just 60 days of increasing their vitamin D intake, they noticed significant improvements in their blood sugar levels and overall energy. Another case study revealed that a patient with chronic kidney issues experienced remarkable recovery after optimizing their vitamin D levels. As always, consult with a healthcare provider before making any changes to your supplement regimen. Vitamin D could be the key to better health with the right approach. The most wanted recipe in the whole world. Vitamin drink. A refreshing nutrient boost. Are you ready to whip up the most wanted recipe worldwide? Today, we're sharing a delicious and vitamin-rich drink you can easily make at home. This vibrant smoothie tastes amazing and packs a powerful punch of nutrients. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach. Rich in iron and vitamins A, C, and K, spinach supports immune function and bone health. 1 ripe banana. Bananas are a great potassium and vitamin B6 source, provide energy, and help regulate blood pressure. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt promotes gut health and muscle recovery. 1/2 cup frozen mixed berries, like blueberries and strawberries. Loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, berries help fight inflammation and boost immunity. 1 tablespoon honey, optional, a natural sweetener that adds flavor and has antibacterial properties. 1 cup almond milk, or any of your choice, a dairy-free option that provides calcium and vitamin D. Instructions: 1. Start by washing the spinach thoroughly to remove dirt or grit. 2. Combine the spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, frozen berries, and honey in a blender. 3. Pour in the almond milk and blend until smooth and creamy. If the mixture is too thick, add more milk until you reach your desired consistency. 4. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed, then pour into a glass and enjoy. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this vitamin drink? What variations have you made? You could add a scoop of protein powder or swap in different fruits. Please share your experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to stay healthy and vibrant. Top 4 supplements that reduce arterial plaque. Boost your heart health. If you want to support your heart health and reduce arterial plaque, you're in the right place. Today, we're highlighting specific supplements that have shown promise in promoting cardiovascular wellness. Let's dive into how supplements contribute to heart health and the science behind them. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fish oil, omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They help lower triglyceride levels and can reduce the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced arterial plaque in participants with coronary artery disease. 2. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. This powerful antioxidant plays a crucial role in cell energy production and helps protect the heart from oxidative stress. 3. Garlic extract. Garlic has long been celebrated for its heart health benefits. Studies, including one in the Journal of Nutrition, have shown that garlic extract can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce arterial plaque formation by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. 4. Vitamin K2. This lesser-known vitamin helps direct calcium to the bones and teeth while preventing it from depositing in the arteries. Before starting any new supplement, consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you determine the right approach for your individual health needs. Remember, a healthy lifestyle combined with the right supplements can significantly affect your heart health. We extended the ongoing debate surrounding vitamin supplementation, highlighting the potential benefits and risks. While specific vitamins, like D and B12, can be essential for those with specific dietary needs, oversupplementation can lead to adverse effects. We also discussed the importance of consulting with healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement regimen, as they can provide personalized advice based on your health status. We introduced promising supplements that may help reduce arterial plaque, such as omega-3 fatty acids, coenzyme Q10, garlic extract, and vitamin K2. These have shown potential in supporting heart health, and scientific studies support this. Remember, a balanced diet rich in whole foods should always be your primary source of nutrients, with supplements as an adjunct when necessary. If you found this video informative and helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. We're dedicated to providing the latest insights and tips to help you lead a healthier life. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you had any experiences with vitamin supplementation? What are your go-to vitamins? Please like this video, share it with friends and family, and drop your comments below. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your interests. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay healthy and informed.